Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to continue with repairing my vintage candy, and I pulled some out to show you, and I guess we'll start with this one. So I actually made this one a long time ago, but I guess I made it for myself because I can't get rid of it because I love it. So, two of my favorite genres are drum and bass and happy hardcore. So, this stands for drum and bass, D&B, and then the smiley faces represent happy hardcore. And you can see they're starting to come off. But I really love this one. That's why I haven't been able to part ways with it. But I still wear this one. It's in good shape. Use a nice thick string. I don't know how this one got mixed in with these, but I did wear this not too long ago. But yeah, that's one of my favorites that I made. Now this one, I got my first year raving. I have restrung this one because I wore it out. But it's simple. I like the colors. This one I also got my first year raving. I love these beads. This reminds me of like a spaceship. And the colors are fun too. I'm pretty sure a guy gave this to me, but I can't remember his name. And I did restring this one because I wore it so much. Yeah, there's just some of these that I had to restring like 15 years ago because I'm like, I want to wear these. And this is a light up bracelet. So I had a few of these different styles. This one doesn't work anymore. But I used to always have a light up bracelet. I wonder if I put new batteries in it, if it would work. That would be interesting to see. But yeah, light up bracelet. Now this one is the one we're going to repair today. I absolutely love these beads. So these are like, I know you can still get the really big shape beads. These are like the medium size. And if I remember right, I used to get these at like Office Max or Staples. I didn't make this. This was traded to me, but I did have these beads back in the day. And I feel like I saw some similar at Joann's like a year or so ago. I don't know if they still have them, but that was exciting to see because these big shapes and chunky beads were gold back in the day. But oh yeah, I'll show you the string. So it's super thin. It's thinner than this string. I'm surprised it hasn't snapped, to be honest, because these beads have some weight to them. And anything thinner than this normally breaks. So I'm glad we're repairing this before that happens. I already cut my string the length of the necklace, and I'm going to tie a bead on to hold my place. And I'm going to put my needle on. And I don't know where the knot is. Guess we'll try to find it. Was it right here? Yep. Okay. Maybe we'll start where the knot is so we can tie it in the same place. Yeah, this is another one that needs washed. Is that, I guess you guys are just gonna have to let me know, is that something you want to see on camera? Like, a lot of these need a bath, cleaned up. And then they'll probably look brand new and smell nice. And I wish I could remember who gave me this necklace. This is a really good one. I probably freaked out when they gave it to me because these beads are so fun. Yeah, and you guys are gonna have to let me know, are you still enjoying this series? I'm having a lot of fun going through these just because I haven't seen a lot of them and I get to wear them again. Like, it's been so long for some of these pieces. We're getting to the end. Put my ends together and take that bead off. That feels good. Okay, we're going to cut the original string. Here's the original string. I don't have any black string at the moment. Ooh, that feels good. That should last another 20 years, right? Ooh, I'm excited. I'll wash this up and be able to wear it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.